Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about clearing, but more specifically I'll be talking about my own personal experience and how I went through with it. For those of you who don't know what clearing is, it's basically a system that allows anyone who didn't get the grade that they needed or anyone that's changed their mind to do a different course another chance to reapply for university. If you want to know more information about clearing, then I have a video that explains everything you need to know. I will leave the link to that video in the description box below. So why did I have to apply through clearing? Originally, I really wanted to study children's nursing because I was already working with children and I loved my job, and I really thought working with children was something I wanted to do for the rest of my life. So I applied for 5 different universities. All 5 of the universities got back to me and wanted me to take the maths and science test, which is essential to do if you're going to go into nursing or any of those fields. I did all of my maths and English tests and I passed for all of them. And then came the interview stage. The first interview that I went to, it was horrible. I did not know what to expect and I just wasn't prepared for it. After my first interview, I made sure I was prepared. I did loads of research. I prepared some questions. I looked at the history of the university. So I made sure I was prepared for it. Regardless, I was super intimidated when I actually went to do the interview. So it didn't go very well. And because of that, I started looking into different courses that I would want to study, the university that I would want to go to, and loads of other different factors like how the course was being assessed. So is it 100% exam or is it 100% coursework? Is it 50-50? So I did loads of research, and even then, even after all of that research, I still didn't know what I wanted to do. And after my exams, I knew what course I wanted to study, and there were 3 different universities that I wanted to go to. I just had to play the waiting game. I was waiting for my grades to see what university I could actually call up and apply for. On results day, I got my grades. I went home and I called up the university that I wanted to apply for. I was super scared and I didn't know what to expect. But when they picked up the phone, they were super friendly and super nice, and it was a very simple and easy process to go through. He literally asked me what I wanted to study and what grades I got. And because I had the grade that I needed, they took some more details and I got in. Yay! That is how I am now a second-year forensic science student at Bournemouth University. Although clearing seems really scary, I will assure you that it is a very simple process, and I encourage everyone who wants to go to university that didn't get the grades that they needed to apply via clearing, because you might end up doing a course that you absolutely love. You never know. But I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!